Porsche 718 Cayman. Basic details. The Porsche 718 Cayman is a mid-engine sports coupe known for its sharp handling, precise steering, and balanced performance. It belongs to Porsche's 718 lineup, which also includes the Boxster, the convertible version. Key features: engine options. The base 718 Cayman features a 2.0-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, producing 300 horsepower, while the Porsche 718 Cayman has a 2.5-liter turbocharged flat-4 with 350 horsepower. The GTS 4.0, GT4, and GT4 RS models get a naturally aspirated 4.0L flat-6, offering up to 493 horsepower in the GT4 RS. Transmission. Available with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic. Performance. The base model does 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.9 seconds, while the more powerful versions can do it in under 4 seconds. Chassis and handling. The mid-engine layout ensures excellent weight distribution and cornering stability. It features Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, and available torque vectoring for superior control. Interior and technology. A driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, a 7-inch touchscreen with Porsche Communication Management PCM, and optional Bose or Burmester audio systems. The Porsche 718 Cayman is a perfect blend of power, agility, and everyday usability, making it a favorite among sports car enthusiasts. Would you like more details on a specific model?